Let's dive into the master molecules that make life possible.
So, how are we even alive? It's a huge question, right?
It's kind of crazy, but we're made of the exact same stuff as stars and stones. The secret? It's all in the chemistry. Let's meet life's master molecules. First up, carbohydrates. You can think of these as our primary energy givers.
Originally, scientists had a pretty simple definition for them, just hydrates of carbon.
But yeah, that old rule had some major exceptions. It just didn't hold up.
So we got a new definition, one that's way more precise and based on structure.
Okay, that sounds complicated, right? But it just describes its structure and how it bends light.
We also group them by size. Do they break down into a few units or many? Now, this is super important. D describes the molecule's shape, while the plus sign describes its behavior. Take fructose, it has that D configuration, but it actually rotates light the other way. So how do these simple sugars connect? They use a special oxygen bond called a glycosidic linkage.
Next up, proteins. These are the literal building blocks of, well, you. So how do you build a protein? Well, you start with basic monomers and link them together. All these amino acids have a common core, but that R group makes each one totally unique.
And in water, they do this cool thing. They form a Zwitter ion with two charges. Those amino acids link up using what's called a peptide bond. It's a really strong connection. All right, last but not least, nucleic acids. This is literally the blueprint for life itself. If you break a nucleic acid all the way down, you get these three basic parts.
And you've heard of DNA and RNA, right? They differ in their sugar, bases, and structure.
Okay, stick with me. A base plus a sugar gets you a nucleoside. See the S?
Now add a phosphate to that and you've got a nucleotide. That's the real monomer.
So let's pull it all together. Each one is a big polymer made from specific building blocks. So we know all the ingredients for life. But it makes you wonder, who wrote the recipe?